Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Gmail so you can manage emails faster and smarter. So first, go ahead and open your Claude AI and then click this plus icon. Now, this is where you can actually connect Claude to apps like Gmail. Simply choose Add Connectors, and all you have to do is look for Gmail on this list. So you can type in Gmail, then choose this one and hit connect. Now, when you click on this, you'll be asked to sign in to your Google account. Plus, you also need to approve some permissions. This allows Claude to read, draft, and manage your emails securely. Once that's done, your Gmail is now connected to Claude. You can check this again to see that it's already connected. Now, here's how to use it. Instead of manually checking emails, you can just ask Claude things like summarize your latest emails, or find unread messages from today, or even ask how many unread messages you have, and it'll pull that information for you instantly. You can also ask Claude to draft replies. For example, you can say reply to this email professionally, and Claude will generate a response based on the message. You can review and send it right away. So basically, that's about it. Quick and simple. Connecting Claude to Gmail basically turns your inbox into a smart assistant that can read, write, and organize emails for you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!